Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Surya Official. In this video, we are going to learn what exactly is web development and what's the difference between a website and a web application. So first, let's talk about what is web development. Web development means the process of building, creating and maintaining websites or web applications. It can be used to build simple pages like blogs or powerful tools like social media platform or online banking apps. In simple words, it's all about making things that work on the internet. Let's talk about website versus web application. A website is a collection of connected web pages that usually include text, images, videos, and other content. It is mainly used for sharing information and user mostly read or browse. There is less user interaction. Some common examples of websites are blogs, Wikipedia, news sites, and tutorial websites. Let's talk about web application. A web application is more powerful and interactive. It allows user to do things, not just view content. There is high user interaction like typing, uploading files, or using tools in real time. Examples of web application includes Google Docs, where you can type and edit document, online banking platform, where you can send money or check your balance, Facebook or Instagram, where you can post, like, comment, and messages. Web applications are usually more complex and dynamic compared to simple websites. Let's quickly compare. Website mostly for viewing content with less user interaction. Web application built for doing tasks with more user interaction. Both are built using web development, but their purpose is different. So now you can understand what the web development is and the difference between a website and a web application. In this course, we will start by building simple websites using HTML and CSS, and step by step we will move towards more advanced concepts. So this is all about this video, and if you found this video really helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Code with Surya Official, and check out for the full playlist for the complete HTML and CSS course. Thanks for watching, keep learning and happy coding. See you in the next video.